Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there, Jeep enthusiasts. If you're looking to elevate your Jeep Wrangler JL's performance and style, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best LED headlights for Jeep Wrangler JL. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the streets, these headlights will light up your path like never before. From brightness and durability to sleek design and easy installation, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned to find out which LED headlights can transform your driving experience. So, check the link in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Online LED True Mods 9" round LED headlights, the ultimate upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. These headlights redefine off-road style with their aggressive design, featuring striking halo DRLs and a light-amplifying, diamondback textured lens that ensures your vehicle stands out on any trail. Crafted for durability, they boast a lightweight aluminum housing, scratch-resistant PC lens, and a robust IP67 waterproof rating, making them ready to conquer any terrain, from muddy trails to river crossings without skipping a beat. Installing these headlights is a breeze with the included 25A plug-and-play adapter harness, which draws power directly from your Jeep's fuse box for hassle-free operation of the halo DRLs. No complex wiring or soldering required, just straightforward installation using the built-in bracket and vehicle-specific plug designed specifically for the Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. Not only do these headlights enhance visibility and style, but they also meet DOT FM VSS 108 standards, ensuring they perform reliably in even the toughest conditions. If you're searching for the best LED headlights for your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT, look no further than the online LED True Mods 9" round LED headlights. Engineered to combine rugged performance with cutting-edge design, these headlights are the perfect companion for every off-road adventure, promising durability, functionality, and unmatched style. Upgrade your Jeep today and experience the difference with these DOT-approved headlights that are built to exceed expectations both on and off the road. Number 2. Super E 9" round LED headlights with RGB halo for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT, the ultimate upgrade for enthusiasts seeking both performance and style. These headlights not only outshine traditional halogens with their high beam of 12,000 LM and low beam of 6,000 LM, but also feature integrated daytime running lights in crisp 6000K white and dynamic turn signal lights in amber. What sets them apart is the stunning RGB halo effect, customizable via the Happy Lighting app, offering 16 million colors, music synchronization, and various flashing modes. This makes your Jeep a beacon of personality on the road, turning heads wherever you go. Built tough with an IP68 waterproof rating, these headlights are designed to endure all weather conditions, ensuring longevity with a lifespan of up to 100,000 hours. Constructed from durable aluminum for efficient heat dissipation and solid polycarbonate lenses for superior light penetration, Super E pays meticulous attention to detail. Installation is hassle-free with a plug-and-play setup that requires no drilling or modifications, complete with adjustable springs for perfect beam alignment. Designed specifically for 2018 to 2023 Jeep Wrangler JL and 2019 to 2024 Gladiator JT models, these headlights are a perfect fit for those seeking the best LED headlights for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. Transform your driving experience with Super E's innovative RGB LED headlights, where performance meets unmatched style and functionality. Number 3. Kiwi Master 9" round LED headlights Halo DRL, the ultimate upgrade for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT enthusiasts seeking superior visibility and rugged durability. Specifically designed for 2018 to 2024 Jeep Wrangler JL/Phyrexy and Jeep Gladiator JT models with stock halogen headlights, these headlights shine with unmatched brightness. Boasting 12,000 LM on high beam and 6,000 LM on low beam, they ensure a sharp cutoff line for optimal light distribution without blinding others, making them the best LED headlights for Jeep Wrangler JL on the market. Crafted from high-quality materials including die-casting aluminum and polycarbonate lens, these headlights are not just durable but also rust-proof, shock-proof, and IP68 waterproof rated, capable of enduring various challenging environments from desert heat to rainy conditions. The rib design facilitates efficient cooling, contributing to their impressive 100,000-hour lifespan. Installation is hassle-free with a simple plug-and-play setup, no brackets, drilling, or external wiring needed. Additionally, they come with a 1-year warranty and include an anti-flicker module to resolve any flickering issues promptly. For Jeep enthusiasts looking to enhance their driving experience with top-tier illumination and reliability, the Kiwi Master 9-inch round LED headlights Halo DRL stand out as the go-to choice. Whether navigating through smog, fog, or dark trails, these headlights not only meet but exceed expectations, delivering unparalleled visibility and durability for the ultimate off-road adventure. Number 4. Avsato's latest innovation for Jeep enthusiasts, the JL LED headlights, designed specifically for Jeep Wrangler JL 2018 to 2023 and Jeep Gladiator JT 2019 to 2023 models. These 9-inch headlights boast a striking design with integrated features that redefine nighttime visibility and style. Featuring a unique patent, they combine a white beam with a red background light and logo light for DRL, daytime running light, function, while the turn signal mode switches to a white beam with red background and yellow beam for added visibility. Upon activation, you're greeted with a sequential welcome light, setting them apart from standard headlights. The Avsato JL LED headlights deliver impressive brightness thanks to their dual beam lens, effectively utilizing light energy for both high and low beams without compromising on energy efficiency. Operating at a crisp 6500K color temperature, they offer a clear and sharp cutoff that enhances visibility, extending both range and width of light to illuminate obstacles and wildlife in your path. Installation is straightforward with plug-and-play functionality for high and low beams, complemented by new adjustment screws that simplify aiming. In just about 40 minutes, you can enhance your Jeep's lighting capabilities significantly. Included in the package are 2 JL headlights, for extension wires, 2 JL adapters, and a 12-month quality warranty, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. If you're looking for the best LED headlights for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT models, Avsato's innovative design and performance make them a standout choice, blending style, functionality, and ease of installation seamlessly. Number 5. Audexon JL headlights, the ultimate upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JL or JLU. These 7-inch headlights, paired with specially designed JL headlight mounting bracket adapters, are engineered to seamlessly fit Jeep Wrangler models from 2018 to 2023, including Sahara, Rubicon, and Sport editions. DOT approved for road use, they offer reliability and safety without compromise. Audexon ensures these headlights are not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing with a sleek black finish that complements the rugged look of your Wrangler. The clear polycarbonate lens material provides durability and clarity, while the waterproof design ensures they can withstand any weather condition, making them ideal for off-road adventures. What sets these headlights apart is their superior illumination powered by advanced LED technology. They deliver crisp, bright light with a focused beam pattern that significantly improves visibility at night or in challenging driving conditions. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising on highways, these headlights offer enhanced visibility that enhances both safety and driving comfort. In conclusion, Audexon JL headlights are the best LED headlights for Jeep Wrangler JL and JLU models, combining durability, performance, and style in one package. Upgrade your Jeep's lighting system today and experience the difference on and off the road. In conclusion, choosing the best LED headlights for your Jeep Wrangler JL involves considering factors like brightness, durability, and ease of installation. Each option reviewed today offers unique benefits, whether it's superior illumination, enhanced longevity, or a perfect fit for your vehicle. Ultimately, your decision should align with your specific needs and preferences as a Jeep owner. We hope this guide has been informative and helps you make an informed choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your thoughts. Stay tuned for more updates and helpful videos to enhance your Jeep Wrangler JL experience.